Welcome to the new episode of Free After Effects Template. Today I am going to share a premium looking motion logo for free. There is no hidden cost or subscription plans, and working with this template file in After Effects is very easy. Just do as I do and follow my steps to create your premium looking motion logo. Just go the link from description and open link in new browser. After opening, scroll down to the end of the site and click the direct download link. Wait for the download link and then click download button. Just follow my steps. After download is complete, open the zip file using password. Open the 8 files in folder. Your premium looking motion logo intro is ready to customize, and you can put your logo or text or add a subheading by this. Wow! It already looks awesome. Isn't it? I told it was easy and super quick. You can add music to the video. Free music is always available on the internet. You can download from the link in description. Render the file in your PC directory and downgrade the file size later. Please subscribe for more free After Effects templates and like this video if you like my effort. Thanks for watching.